You can see what the prior owner did in regards to putting tile. You can see how thick the layers are, and he put this brown, I don't know if it's mortar or if it's glue. If you look at it, and all these tiles are crooked, so there was a gap here when he put the tile down. Furthermore, you can see the crappy work that he did there, where he filled the hole with, it looks like, epoxy or some sort of sealant. And you can see the very crooked tile work, and the fact that he also put cracked tile right up onto the bathroom wall. So, in doing this remodeling, which has been quite a lot of work, what I found that's useful is to get one of these tiny, almost ball peen like chisels, and you can just gently break the grout. I've been trying to preserve the tile because this is an older piece of tile that you can't find anymore. Each piece costs about $40 per 4 1/4 square. That's what I've been told. It's the gold dust tile. It ranges anywhere between, I think, $4 a tile to about 40. I think there's a place in Connecticut that sells this. You can see how thick the thin set he used was. I mean, it was so thick that there's still thin set here, and it just flakes right off. This is very, very poor work. So, in order for me to put the new pieces of tile back on, I have to literally break off this and then put my cement board on up against here to give me a surface to put tile on. They also make this chisel. It's a 4-inch chisel, which I don't find to be that effective. It's great for prying stuff though, but I don't find it to be that effective. These small ones are just really nice because you can do a delicate. You can very carefully chip away old thin set. Obviously, remodeling a bathroom after someone's mucked with it is a lot more work than you know, people starting and doing a complete restart of the entire bathroom, or a fresh build of a bathroom. Because in these kinds of situations, you're trying to preserve as much as the older work that you have. And if you're trying to, and you're kind of limited by the fact that the resources that were used to build this don't exist anymore. It's almost like a restoration work or something. I don't really want to be breaking this off, but I have to because I have to put a piece of backing here so they don't have a hole. And besides, this is just garbage. Whatever he did, it's just poor. I don't know. I'm not an expert again. It just looks bad. It looks awful. So maybe I'll be able to work with this and put some. So I'm gonna have to put new sheetrock as well. There's a piece of pipe here, so I've got limitations. So because you got a piece of pipe here, and there's no 2x4 for support. So the only piece of support is right here at this wall. You can see the rusted nail. I don't know if anybody can see that, but there's the rusted nail there. I'm showing how much moisture was behind the wall. And I'm having to do this simply in order to build a surface so that I can put the lower pieces of tile right here. And this is electrical wire. Brilliant. There's a piece of electrical wire right here.